Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 12 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add in the roof, and then we added the curtain wall, so the windows, and then we added all the furniture. Now we're going to continue working on this. What I want to do is to add the balcony on the three rooms that we have, so all of them will have. And also I wanted to add in the roof for this part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to level 2 first, add in the roof for that. So level 2, or sorry, level 1, and then here we can add in roof number 1, set it to level 2, and then add only for the perimeter right here. After that, we could offset this, so base offset to negative 400, or maybe negative 300 is good enough. So now we could just go to modify, click on paint, and then add the same paint as what we have right here. So we have the roof there, and as you can see, everything is looking good. And then here I want to change the way the wall joint is, so let's go to level 2, and then let's change the wall joint. And then also I want to push this a little bit, and then here, wall joints, select this wall joint, and then go click on next until we have this part. So once we have, we'll be able to extend this one and then add in the appropriate floor that we have, that we need actually. So here I could just add it like that, and I know it's over, so AL, align it from below. So now I know everything is leveled properly. And what we could do next is I want to add, so actually the way I see it now, this one and also this one doesn't look good, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the design that I want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use architecture, model in place, and then generic model. And then here we need to go to south elevation so that it's facing forward. Click extrusion, pick a plane, and we're gonna choose this plane right here. And then I want to extrude it from here, so around 400 for now, because we will extrude it depending on how we want it. So here I'm gonna use duplicate, and we're going to use gypsum wallboard as a duplicate. And here what I'm gonna do is I'm going to connect this right here all the way here. We could align it there if we want to, and also what we could do is we could just add it for the wall right here. So we could trim this properly and delete all those small lines and trim it like so, and then click on finish, and I want to see how it looks. And we could extrude it as like I said earlier, and we could align it so that everything is aligned properly with the thickness and all. And as you can see, the way it is connected here, Looks much better. I think I'm going to put back the wall joints that we have here before. I think that's much better in terms of um, not having the same wall overlapping. So at least we could extend this, and then we could basically add a roof on here and then a roof on top of here. And then nothing is overlapping, I think so. If we put it right here, and then we could extend this a little bit forward. So I'm gonna edit the boundary. So here is just what we're doing is we are setting up a nicer connection. So we're just connecting them properly. Trim and extend, and join that. Now this one looks much better. And the problem we have is this extension right here. And then I'm going to align it all the way there. And the only problem is this one, this part right here, that is overlapping. So I think the best way is to just create something right here, maybe a small one of this extrusion, so that we could just add a bit right here and not worrying about overlapping. So now what I'm planning to do is to have this model right here, and with that it also is for the balcony. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and then maybe I could just edit this and then add a little bit of extrusion here, so everything is so I could set it here, make a plane, and then click finish and then align it. So once we're in Twinmotion and we set all the stuff, you won't even notice that there is a box there. It will all fill in, and it doesn't look like it's misplaced there. So I'm just checking on how much extrusion should I do here. I think that's good enough. And also I'm gonna add in, so I'm gonna edit this again. I'm gonna add it on this side. So let's go to south elevation. Oh, sorry, north elevation is the other part. And maybe we're going to have have it like this on this side, extrude, pick a plane, and then I'm going to set it here. And then click finish. I want to see how it looks, and for some reason not everything is doing good because we have something right here. So I'm going to deal with one at a time first. So here I'm gonna deal with this. So I'm gonna click on finish first. This is just one wall, so click on attach and then detach target. How about this one? Attach base. So these are the ones that I could extend a bit. So let's go to north. Edit. Sorry, not edit this one. This one is 200. Okay, and we need to align it at the top here, and I want to connect it right there. We have the 200, and we need to lower this down. And then we're going to lower that down as well. So now one at a time, we're going to lower it. EL. And then also on this wall. And then we're just gonna leave this one on that side like that. And I'm thinking of, for this one, not to add anymore, because if we add, we're defeating the purpose of having the pergola. Or an awning there. So we're just going to clean it up a bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use something like this again to go to the second floor and then clean it up. Create extrusion, and then just adding certain stuff right here, and then just trimming it. Just a quick way of fixing stuff. And cleaning the gaps. And using a line so that everything is aligned to specific walls. So I'm just going to do this, and then after that what I'm gonna do is we're going to add the railing. So here it's not showing, but if we change the view range, we can change it to level below, and as you can see, everything is showing. We have it right here. We have even the pergola, and we have the extension right here. Maybe let's put negative 2000. So I change it a bit so that it's not too much. And then here, let's go to architecture, click on railing, and then we choose what we want, and I'm just gonna choose this one. Add it there, click on finish, and then add the railing again on this side. And then here we could just edit so that this one is connected to the wall. Sometimes kind of confusing, not seeing the model, and then there you go. And then let's fix this so that it's not showing that one. And then let's fix the view range. We don't need it anymore, so negative, click on apply, and there we go. If you don't want this, you have some glass bottom, and then this one as well. So either way, depending on what you want, you can change it a bit. You can also add just glass as well. You can use the same one that we use, which is curtain wall. We might do that instead because that one it looks much cleaner to have. So instead of this, why not? So I'm just gonna leave it that one for now, and the other one as well, and go back here so that we don't need to turn on the underlay, and we can see everything. So I'm just gonna click on wall, and then curtain wall. Gonna add it right here, right there, and then right there. And then once we add, we can delete the railing, and then here as well, curtain wall. So we have it already there. And then just delete this, and then we just need to lower it to the proper height. We can align it, so that's good. and then just go back, and we want to make sure that everything is doing like that. Maybe extend it a bit so that it's connected. There we go. And then also on the other side. Extend it first. Extend it and then pull it back. Extend it first and then pull it back so that it's connected. So that's looking good. In the next video, we're going to add emulsions and curtain door. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.